Hello everyone and welcome back to your English online classes. Now we are back again with the English literature, and in English literature we are going to start with chapter number 8, that is the best gift. Okay, the best gift. And before starting a chapter we have to take a pencil in our hand and you will underline the difficult words as I'll tell you. So let's start with the chapter. The best gift. Sheila was a teacher in Little Hearts School. So you will underline teacher and this the name of the school. So there was a teacher whose name was Sheila. She was a very kind lady. You will underline kind. And what does that kind mean? Kind means caring. So that this is a teacher and her name was Sheila and she was very kind. She was very caring, like your teachers are. She spoke very softly and gently to her students, and she spoke very softly. She was speaking very kindly and gently and very softly to her students. She wanted them to become wonderful children. You will underline wonderful children also. Here you can underline softly, gently. Okay, so because she was a teacher and she always wanted the good of the students, so she wanted all the children to be wonderful. She loved all her students and they loved her too. So you will underline love. As you all know that teacher loves all the students. On Teacher's Day, all the children brought gifts for their dear teacher. You will underline on Teacher's Day. So children, can you tell me when is Teacher's Day? It is going to come soon. Yes, it is on 5th September. You can write for your remembrance. Okay, 5th September. All the children brought gifts for their dear teacher. So the children, they have brought gifts for the teacher as you bring the gifts for your teacher on Teacher's Day. Anil gave the teacher a black leather bag. So there was a boy whose name was Anil, and what does he give? He gave the teacher a black leather bag, a purse. Balu gave her a pen set, and there was another boy whose name was Balu, and what does he give? He gave a pen set. Akash gave her a watch. Then there was a boy whose name was Akash, and what does he give? He gave her a watch. And Payal gave her a calculator, and Payal gave her teacher a calculator. You will underline all the words which I am underlining. Nikhil was the last to come. So Nikhil was the boy and who was the last to visit to teacher on Teacher's Day. So let's see what he has brought on next page, page number 71. He came up to the teacher. He had a lovely pink rose in his hand. So he came up to the teacher with the lovely pink rose in his hand. What does he had? He had pink rose in his hand. This is for you, teacher, he said. And what does he says? He says, this is for you, teacher. All the children laughed at Nikhil, and all the children were laughing at Nikhil. The teacher saw the sad look on his face, and the teacher was very upset why the children are laughing, and she saw the sad face of Nikhil. She knew why he was sad. So she knew why he was sad, and she was very well knowing that why he was sad. Nikhil was a poor boy. So you will underline this line. Nikhil was a poor boy and he was very poor, but he was a good student. He always stood first in class, and he was the only one who stood first in the class. The teacher then told the children, thank you so much for all your beautiful gifts. You will underline beautiful. So teacher is now thanking all the children for the gifts they have brought for them. I like all of them. What did she say? She says that I liked all the gifts which you have brought for me. But do you know who has given me the best gift? Then she says, do you know who has given me the best gift? It is none other than Nikhil. And it is none other than Nikhil. The children looked at Nikhil surprised. Then you will underline surprised. Then children were very shocked that we have brought leather bag, we have brought watch, and we have brought calculator also. But he has brought only rose, and teacher is very happy. Why she is happy? Then the teacher said, Nikhil is a wonderful child. He listens to everything I say. Then what does the teacher says? She says that Nikhil is very good. Why he is good? Because he listens to his elders, and he listens and he obeys and follow the rules which a teacher says. He does his work neatly, and he does his work neatly. He never comes late to school. He never comes late to school. He helps all his children. He helps all his friends. And he behaves well in class. And he behaves well in class. Oh, Nikhil was having so many good qualities, good manners he was having. This is the best gift any child can give. So you can make a star over here because this is very important line. This is the best gift any child can give a teacher. Children, do you know we are not happy with the gifts, but if you obey us, if you are very good with us, not good in the sense that you will not make any mistake, but if you follow the rules of the school, if you follow the instruction given by the teacher, then teacher is herself very happy. She doesn't need a gift to be happy. So also the teacher, whose name was Sheila, she was happy in the same manner. Why? Because Nikhil has given her a rose, and she doesn't wanted gifts. She wanted the children to be wonderful, and Nikhil was such boy. All the children clapped for Nikhil, and then the children understood that why the teacher was saying that Nikhil has brought the best gift. So all the children clapped for Nikhil. He smiled. It was indeed a great day for him. So he smiled, and now finally he is smiling. His sad face has turned to a smiling face, and smiling face. It was indeed a great day for him, and it was indeed now become a great day for him. So children, this was all about the chapter The Best Gift. Now you will read this chapter again and again, and you will just revise the difficult words which I have underlined for you, and then you will try to find out the meaning also and try to use it in the daily practice. Thank you.